Portable and multi-purpose bot. So we can, it's a modular bot too. So we can use in army and in rescue purpose, research purpose, and many things in supplements also. Like if we'll take in a perspective of army, it can use to deactivate or deactivate the live bombs. Like if the army cannot go through the live bomb, so this bot can go and it can cut or deactivate this live bomb. We can use to send medicine to the army. Like if the armies is they are in a mountains area, hilly area, where supplements is not there. So we can send this bot. Because it is in a hexa bot, there's no wheel, so it can climb through the mountains. There's no wheel, so that by grabbing this hands, and they can reach there and they can supply medicines, food, or some essentials goods which they want. In the perspective of like disaster management, if there is an earthquake, landslide that we have faced near 2 months, if any person get trapped inside a buildings or in a cave or something like, this robot can go inside that cave or building, collapsed building, and can detect that there is a person is inside or not, and as a condition of the person, and it can also send the medicine inside that cave for some time, like for the and it's yeah, and there is a the camera is equipped with night camera. So there is if there is no light, then this bot can operate it there. In the perspective of research, like some caves which are the carbon dioxide level is so high, so we can send this bot to collect these samples out there, and it has a night vision, so it will collect the sample and come back to the owner. And in the sense of the agriculture purpose, we can also use in agriculture, like to detect the weeds, and we will use this cutter here. Like it's a we can remove this part and we can add a cutter also.
This part is modular, so we can use different modules of different end effectors in this place. So you can
yeah, there's a screw, so we can remove this, and we can also use it for surveillance. Like we will remove this whole part. There's a camera, night camera, and we will use ladder system to geography and for survey, and you can use for the survey purpose also.
And it has other features called, it has a Raspberry Pi inside it and a LiDAR which helps us to locate the area of the map around 16 meters. So it's a circular thing, you get the map of a 16-meter radius. So we get a position of the object which we can detect the position length of it. Yeah.
Can we test?
Like just 1 minute.
Sir, we can test, but sir, there is a competition of robotics also. The main battery which we has included in this, so we have shifted to them, sir. That's why. But sir, we are working with this low battery.
With a low power battery right now, so most of the functions are not working right now. We can use this end effector right now.
So we have a video, sir.
Camera also.
We can show you when we have tested this.
Why you can't test now?
Sir, because the battery which we are using, the main battery, we have shifted to, like we have a competition in the another competition, our team, sir. So they have taken the battery because their battery was not good.
Without implementation your project,
Yes, sir.
you lose 20 degrees.
Okay,
So
sir.
can we show you this?
Or else
Videos. Like sir, if you will give time, so we can.
arrange it and move it.
You
this
can
is
see,
the
you can
movement
see the
of the
control
camera.
of camera.
Right now it is detecting.
Right
you
now,
can
see, it is motion detecting right now.
The camera is very easy.
Okay.
Your project, the most important thing in your project, the movement.
Yes, sir.
Why you use this design? It's different than car.
Yes, sir.
Because car cannot go, car needs a flat surfaces. This cannot go in rough areas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is the most important.
Yes, sir.
You can put the camera and there is I think 3 projects the same. They put camera, they put hand,
Yeah.
and they put also detect the bomb. Your project, this is very important for your project because you can work in different
Yes, sir.
places.
In different rough areas. Yes.
So another question, I think
Yes.